Yes, my people, welcome back. The Mac again, giving you a beautiful tour from Jamaica. Yeah, man. And for this one, I'm going to give you a tour from Montego Bay Airport. Go straight into Kingston Airport. Yes, my people. So today is very overcast today. Yeah, no sunshine, and it's a cold front. We have a cold front this weekend, you know. Yeah, so a lot of people come out this morning about sweaters. Yes, because they can't take the cold. They're not used to the cold weather. Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'm just going to give you I'm not going inside of the airport. I'm just driving around the area and go straight on into Kingston. And this one into Kingston. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour, my people. Yeah. So this is the Sangster International Airport, now people. Yeah. Cool, you're cool, man. Yes, so this is it, my people. See some tourists in their sweater there. They're going back in the freezing cold, guys. Yeah. All right. So it's after 11 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. So as I said, I'm just giving you a brief drive through to from Sangster International Airport to Normal Manley Airport. Alright, guys, so this is the current situation at the airport. Yeah. Don't count my vehicle, no, brother.
Make sure you park right.
Alright. Oh gosh. So guys, this is the arrival, but it's early in the morning, so well, I say after 11, you know. All right. And an overcast day, no sunshine, it's just cloud alone, you know. All right, so we continue our tour straight into Kingston, my people. We're getting a lot of breeze too. Yeah. Alright, so we're on our way straight into Kingston, my people. Most of the people you see now have one sweater. Look at that, guys. Everybody you see in sweater. That even that guy over there, oh Lord. Everybody have sweater. They don't used to this cold, you know. The sea is very rough. Yeah. my people, stay in tune. As I said, I'm going to Kingston from Montego Bay Airport, but I'm not gonna give you a straight drive to Kingston. I'll just hop in and hop out. All right. Yes. So guys, I just passed Iron Shore, going towards Carl Garden, and on your right over there, guys, that is the new Price Mart taking shape. Yes, coming on pretty fine. Coming on pretty good, guys. Wow. Yeah. All right. So we continue our tour straight into Kingston, guys. All right. That is the Price Mart over there, guys. Taking shape. Yeah. Okay guys, so we currently in Greenwood. Yes, this is where you can find some nice restaurant along the coast here, guys. But my favorite restaurant is it's right out here, and it's Father Bull. Yes, my people, this is it, Father Bull. This restaurant is clean and nice, so you can stop here. Yeah, man. So guys, this is a very nice restaurant where you can stop and have your lunch. Everything about it. You can sit and relax at the bar and stuff like that. All right. And use the red stop. Okay guys, so let's take a look inside here. Yeah, very clean and nice in here. Hi. Hey, what's up? You cold? Oh, you don't open it? You open? Oh, what you have ready? Okay, you have like soup or something? Yes. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm just make a stop at Father Bull. All right, guys. So this is a nice restaurant where you can stop and have your meal. Yes. So you could go out by the front there and sit and relax, but Hurricane Melissa damage everything, so this is the current situation out there, so they're just fixing it up back. Yeah. All right, so it's a nice area here, and you have clean bathroom and stuff like that. Yeah, so this is Father Bull in St. James. All right, guys. Okay guys, so this is the takeout menu right here. Yes, at Father Bull, so you can just purchase right at the window there and wait for your ticket to call right at this window here. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the nice settings at the bar right here. Is it, guys? So you can come and sit and chill out right here. Yeah man, yeah, my people, that is it. Alright guys, so we continue our journey into Kingston. Alright guys. Okay. So this is of the car park look, guys. Yeah. Very nice. And adequate space. Okay, walk around here. give you a look at the sea. The sea is very rough today. As I said, we're having a cold front this weekend, guys. So this is the seafront from Father Bull Place restaurant. Yeah, man. All right. So we continue our journey into Kingston. Okay, guys, we just come over in Trelawny now. Yes. Yes, so this is the current situation with the house and the right here, guys. Yeah, after effect from the storm, you know. Yeah. Yes, my people, so we're just cruising along north course here, going towards Kingston. So as I said, we're currently in Trelawny, going towards Saltmarsh. Yes. That gas station roof still on repair there. Yeah. Yes, as I said, it's overcast, guys, so no sunshine. Yeah. We're getting a cold front this weekend. Second cold front for this week. Yeah. So this is Saltmarsh, my people. Yeah. Man, don't worry about the cold. Yes, my people, so we continue our journey. We have some nice house on the right there, guys. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. So we currently approaching Falmouth, my people. Yeah. I'm gonna stop right here and give you a shot of the Falmouth sign. Yeah. Okay, my people. So this is newly built Falmouth sign, my people. Yeah, look at it. Look at it, my people. Yeah. I think this sign is one of the best signs around Jamaica. Look at it. Wow. And also they have a walkway and a mini garden right here. Wow. And this is the signboard for you, my people. You can just read. Yeah. Okay. All right. And over here is the mini garden. Wow, look at it, so nice. Yeah. And that road on over there, guys, is the old road that take you into Falmouth. All right, so we continue our journey into Kingston, my people. Yeah. So this is the Falmouth sign. Alright guys, we continue our tour. Okay guys, we're currently in Discovery Bay now. Yes, so this is the Kaiser bauxite area. Okay. Yes, my people, as I say, we're currently in Discovery Bay. Oh, that lady is very cold here. Look at the sweater. Yes. So on your left there, guys, that is Puerto Seco Beach. Yes. So, as I said, we are in Discovery Bay, my people. Okay. And yeah. Yes, my people, so right over this gas station here is you have juicy beef, and you can stop here to use the restroom and all of those stuff, or you can, if you want some coffee or juice, you can get it in the malt there. Yeah. Okay. So this juicy beef up there. Restroom at Discovery Bay. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just okay, so we continue our journey straight into Kingston, you know. So next stop we are in Runaway Bay. Alright guys, so stay tuned for that. Yeah. Okay guys, we're coming up on a famous stop on your left right here, guys, is the ultimate jerk center. It's on the left right there, guys. Yeah, when you want to get your nice jerk chicken, jerk pork, you stop at Ultimate Jerk Center right there. Yeah. All right. Okay guys, we are in Runaway Bay now. Yes, and then left there is Flavor Bleach. Yeah, bar and restaurant, right? Yes. So we're in Runaway Bay right now, guys. Montego Resort Hotel over there on the right. Yeah. guys, coming up on your left, we have some new development coming, currently going on right now in Runaway Bay. Yeah, make sure I position the camera right, as you can see. Coming soon, very soon. On your left, guys, we have a gas station and a plaza on your left over here, and Kentucky fried chicken will be there very soon, so you can stop right over there. See it right over there, guys. Yeah, and get your Kentucky chicken and other different stuff, you know. So that is in Runaway Bay here. Yeah, smart people. And also you have another gas station right on your left out here coming up too. Pretty and a plaza. Yeah. So you have two plaza, right? One on your right and one on your left, right? Yeah. So this is in Runaway Bay here, guys. Okay, so we continue our drive into Kingston. On your left down here, guys, this is Sharky's Restaurant and Beach. Yeah. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Next stop is Pyre. Alright, guys, so we are currently in Pyre now, and on your left there is Plantation Smokehouse. Yes, my people. Yeah, so yeah. And over on the right there is Plantation Village. Yeah. Right along the roadside here, guys, you can get street food. Yeah, look at that. Jerk chicken, jerk pork and all of those stuff. Yeah. Okay guys, so if you are a lover of sweet potato pudding and cornmeal pudding and stuff like that, it's right down here. You have the pudding man on your left there guys. Yeah, right down here on your left here where you see all of these vehicles stop. This is the pudding man over there guys. Yeah. Alright, so that is in Prairie. Okay. Alright guys, so wow, that lady look cold. Yeah, I said some people can take the cold front and some cannot take the cold front, you know. Yeah. Okay guys, so we continue our journey into Kingston. All right. Okay guys, so we currently just come through St. Bay Square, so we are heading towards Jacksall in St. Ann, my people. Yeah. Right along now, we currently in Jacksall. We have some nice nice plaza over here guys. Look over there guys. Yeah. Right along here you have Total Tools. Yeah. So Jacksall is become a little city by itself. So look on your left over here guys. See a lot of building going on over there. A lot of business. Yeah. Oxford Express, Courts, all kind of stuff over there. Yeah, and you have the KFC up there, up the top there too. Yeah. So big improvement in Jacksall here guys. Jacksall St. Ann. So we have a car mart over here, car mart on your left and car mart on your right. Yeah. So we're still in Jacksall, my people. Okay guys, so on your left we're coming up on Boot gas station and complex right over here guys. Look over here. Yes, so this is you have a lot of restaurant and gas station over here guys, so you can stop and use the restroom and get anything that you need over there. Yeah. Okay, so on your left over here guys, we have the Rio Hotel. Yeah, right on your left here. Down here now you have Sandals Duns River. Yep. Okay guys, so we currently in Montego Bay now. Old Fort Bay. Yeah. So this is the roundabout. You can take the highway right there guys. But I'm not going to take the highway. I'm going on the old road and going to Ocho Rios and go straight on to Fern Gully. Yeah. So coming up on development by the Chinese on the right here guys, a housing development going on over here. Yeah, by the Chinese. That is it. Guys, so on your left here guys is Dolphin Cove. Yeah. Okay, on your right over here guys, this is Mystic Mountain. Yeah. my people. Wow, the sea is so rough over there, guys. Yeah, because of the cold front. It's very rough. Yeah, welcome to Ocho Rios, my people. Yes. So we're currently going into Ocho Rios now. Okay, on your left is Fisherman Village. Yes. So we are in Ocho Rios now, my people. Yeah. Okay guys, on your right there, that is Ocho Rios Jerk Center over there. On your right there. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take a right at this stoplight here and go straight into Fern Gully. Yeah, okay. Yes, guys. So this is Ocho Rios. Yeah. Alright, my people, so we're going up Melford Road now. Yes. On your right here, guys, is Ocho Rios High School, and also on your left there you have the Ocho Rios Baptist Church. Alright, and right up here is the Ocho Rios Seventh-day Church on your right there. Yeah, and you have some plaza along the way here. Okay. That road can take you to Beecher Town, Shaw Park and Hindstone. Yeah. Continue straight, guys. So, and on your left, guys, over here is the Ocho Rios Primary School. Okay. some luxury houses going up on your left over here, guys. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are currently going through Fern Gully now, guys. Wow, look at the fern, guys. Well, Fern Gully really get back its color after the dreaded storm. Yeah, green and nice. Yeah. So Fern Gully is a place where you can see hundreds of different species of fern. Yeah. Yeah. It's cold, so cool and nice in here for people. Yeah. See all the ferns on your left here, guys, coming up very nice. Yeah, after the storm, you know. Yeah. So if you're in Jamaica and you want to, and you're a lover of ferns, you can come into Fern Gully. Got that. See all the ferns there. Okay, it's just about finishing Fern Gully now, my people. Yeah. So this is the end of Fern Gully. Yeah. Okay guys, we're currently in Walkerswood now. Yes. And this is the Lyman Restaurant and Bar and Rest Stop right over there in Walkerswood. Yeah. So this is the Walkerswood area. Okay guys, so we come down into Walkerswood Center now. Yeah. Alright. We're going along nicely. Yeah. Okay guys, we are currently in Moneague, St. Anne. Yes, my people. So this is Moneague area. We have some development going on here. A plaza is going up there. Yeah. Gas station on your right there. And you have one on your left right here too. Yeah, and you have some street food vendors right down here guys. Yes. So this is where the street food vendors are in Moneague area. You can stop and get hi! Stop and get your roast yam and your jerk, ackee and saltfish and all of those stuff. Yes. Okay, so we're going along. Okay guys, coming up on your left, that is the highway from Moneague into Kingston or go back to Montego Bay. Alright, so on your left we have some pine cellars here, on your right there guys, and that is the highway to Kingston. Hello? No, not today. Alright guys, so we're not gonna take the highway today, you know? The highway over there. We're going straight on the old road there guys. So next we are going to go to Mount Russell. Alright. Or Fake Spence. Fake Spence, then Mount Russell. Alright. Yes, my people, so we're coming up into Fake Spence. Guys, I don't know if you guys remember these places here. Back in the days, these places used to boom, where you can get your roast yam, your roast corn and all of this stuff. Oh, one lady's here selling roast corn. Let's stop and see. Guys, I just make a stop in Fake Spence here, and this lovely lady over here, well, selling some nice, what you selling over here, mommy? Roast yam?
Yes, boiled corn soup,
Or roast corn and boiled corn and soup?
roast potato and cook up salad.
What? Roast potato and cook up saltfish? Wow. So, guys, back in the days, you must remember, this place used to very nice when you find all the orange and all the roast yam, but things change now. Since the highway cut, things change. So how you sell the roast corn?
$300.
$300. Alright. Alright. You can get a roast corn?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm on my way to Kingston, so I just stop to show you the procedure. If you're passing by, you can stop and support the lady here. Yes. And get a roast corn and some and boiled corn. Okay, so you do it? Or you just put it?
Go brown it for you.
Oh, you go brown it now? Okay. Oh, you just put it on the coal here and brown it. Alright. Don't let it brown too much here. Wow. Alright guys. Okay, I'm getting my car and continue this journey. Alright, here go. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, now take care here. Yes. Okay guys, so we continue our journey into Kingston and we are currently in Fake Spence. Yes, my people. So this is Fake Spence. Back in the days, around this area used to be nice when you're going to Kingston on the country bus. Yeah. Guys, so coming up on the right, you used to have some. Oh, right over here, well, you still have the shopping center. Place where you used to come and get your roast yam and stuff like that in Fake Spence here. But a lot of these shops are closed down right now. Look at that. Just because of the highway, you know, you don't have a lot of people doing business again. So this is the Fake Spence. Wow, back in the days it was booming, man. Yeah. Alright guys, so we continue our journey straight into Kingston. From here we go to Mount Rasa. Jamaican town of people. So get a nice bread over there, over that bakery there. Okay guys, we're currently in Bogwalk. Yes, my people, this is where you can get your fresh jelly and your sugar cane and all of those stuff right along the road here, guys. Got it. Okay, so we are going into Bagua Gorge now, guys. Bagua Gorge look green and nice. After the storm, come back up pretty nice, guys. Wow. Cool and nice around here. Yeah, love to hear the river. People, so this is Bagua Gorge. Okay guys, we are coming down to the bridge now of Bagua Gorge. Yep. This is the single lane bridge, my people. Yeah, I got the green light, so go ahead. I have to be careful here. Okay. People, just finished the Bagua Gorge. Yes. Patrol here. Alright, so we're just coming around to we're in Spanish Town now, but not in the towns of Spanish Town, not in the city. Okay, my people. So what I'm going to do now, my people, I'm going to turn left and go on the highway and go straight into Kingston. Because I'm not going to go into Spanish Town, into the town. So I'm going to turn left right here. Okay guys, so I make a left turn right here. Yeah, alright, so I'm going on the highway now guys. This is the Edward Seaga Highway, so I'm going to go right on this one here and go straight into Kingston, my people. Okay, punch and get the card here. Alright. Well. Okay. I'm through. Guys, so if you're going back to Ocho Rios, instead of you take the left lane, and Portmore and Kingston, you're on your right. Okay. Okay guys, I'm on the highway now, so stay tuned. Okay. Coming to the end of the highway now, my people. Yes. And then we're gonna go onto Spanish Town Road. Alright. So we're getting closer and closer to Kingston, my people. Okay, I'm gonna get them my money to go to the toll now, my people. Okay guys, just come through the toll. Yes, so I'm going on to Spanish Town Road now, my people. Active trailer distribution center. Okay guys, so alright, going on to Spanish Town Road now. Alright my people, stay tuned. Okay my people, yeah, we're just about finishing the highway and heading towards downtown now. Okay my people, stay tuned. Okay guys, we're currently going towards 3 Mile now. Yeah, so yes my people, so this is 3 Mile downtown Kingston, you know. So this is 3 Mile and we go heading on down to downtown. Alright guys, so it's 3 Mile. Okay. Heading down to downtown Kingston now guys. Yeah. So on your left over there guys is Plantation Airport, my people. Yeah. cars is to come on the road over there, guys. Guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you see now, we are currently close to downtown. So we are in downtown now. Okay, currently, yeah. Okay, go across here. This is downtown, my people. We're just cruising through downtown. Okay. Okay guys, so guys, we are heading into Rockfort now. Yep. This is the JPS power plant right here. And coming up on your left, my people, that is a flower factory. Jamaica Flower Factory Mill Limited. That's it on your left there, guys. Guys, we're still in Rockfort here. We're coming up on the cement factory now. So this is the cement factory, my people. Okay, my people, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are currently in Harborview now. Yes. So we're getting closer and closer to the airport. Okay, so this is Harborview, my people. We're going around the runabout here and go. Wow, the sun is in the camera now. Okay. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the airport. Alright. Guys, the sun is in the camera, so stay tuned. This is how it looks on the waterfront here, my people. Yes. Wow. Going back downtown there. Okay guys, yes, I just make a stop on Palisadoes strip right here, and here you can get your icy cold jelly as you step off of the plane. Yeah man, got it right here on this strip guys. Yeah, so just as you come off the plane you can stop right here and get your ice cold jelly. And the Jamaican flags flying up there too. Yeah, and over here you can get some nice Jamaican honey. Yes, and real authentic coconut oil and some bitter cleanser. And okay, you can get your cashew wine, your rose, and your dandelion lion and your turmeric. Yes guys, right here. You don't have to wait until you go downtown. You get it right here. Yeah. And also guys, if you want to go to the Land Keys, you can book your trip right here. See the number right here? You can go over there and enjoy the beautiful white sands. Yes. And it's $3,000 per trip, right? Yeah. So it's right here in one package. Yes. And also I forgot to mention the castor oil over here guys. So just make your stop right here and you get everything on the Palisadoes road. Alright.